Hi everybody, it's Miss Beth from the Guilderland Public Library. Today I'm going to share this story with you, Dinosaur Dance, written and illustrated by Sandra Boynton and published by Little Simon Books. Zang, bop, kitty pow, the dinosaur dance is starting now. The blue stegosaurus goes shimmy, shimmy, shake. The red brontosaurus goes quivery quake. Triceratops goes tappity tap. And pterodactyl goes flap, flap, flap. Can you flap your arms like a pterodactyl would flap its wings? Tiny little dino goes deedly dee. I don't know his name. What could it be? Velociraptor twins go bompity bomp. Tyrannosaurus Rex goes stomp, stomp, stomp. Can you stomp, stomp, stomp like the T-Rex? Iguanodon goes dibbity-da. And the tiny little dino goes cha-cha-cha. Yes, the tiny little dino goes cha-cha-cha. Now everybody wants to try the cha-cha-cha. The end. So this story is meant to be paired with our Dinosaur Grab and Go Storytime Kit. I hope you have a chance to stop by Guilderland Public Library this week and pick one up for yourself. You can find us online on our YouTube channel, on our GPL Kids and Families Facebook group, and on the web at guilderlandlibrary.org/GPLKids. Take care, everybody, and have a great day. Bye-bye.